People often talk about their priorities. Priorities in life, in business. What's important to you? Is it to have a work life balance? Is it to make a lot of money? Is it to be visible? Is it to stay hidden? Is it to look after your family? Whatever the priority is, it's probably different than your next door neighbors or your brother or your sister in law, or even what your parents hoped your priorities would be. It's important to know those priorities and live accordingly. And if your family is the priority, then what do you have to do to protect your family if you're not there? Or to make sure your kids get educated? Or to make sure they have a safe and happy and healthy life? What do you have to do? What do you want to do? You want to look after them. What does your business have to look like for you to get what you want so that your priorities are met? And that's where stopping and thinking about it and coming to my workshop will help you. Make sure you set those priorities and can figure out the baby steps required to get there, to achieve what you want out of life. See you then.